Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Steam Fix Game Slow Download Speed. Click Steam Settings. Click Downloads. Change to nearest location. Make sure download speed is no limit. Click OK. Click Restart Steam. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager. Right-click Steam, click Go to Details. Right-click Steam, click Set Priority, click Real Time. Click Change Priority. If Steam service available, give real-time priority. Type CMD in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type exit from command prompt. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.